Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Epomaker P75. It's a 75% wireless aluminum keyboard with a volume knob priced under $100. In this video, I have the black and pink version paired with the linear Wisteria switches. So is this keyboard worth the price? Let's find out. First off, for the stuff included in the box, there's the user manual, a braided Type-A to Type-C cable, a switch and keycap puller, a few extra keycaps, 3 extra switches, a hex key to open the keyboard case, and the Epomaker P75, which is quite heavy, just over 1.5 kilograms or 3.3 pounds, due to its CNC aluminum case. Moving on to the design and layout, the keyboard has the typical 75% exploded layout with a volume knob on the top right corner. It also has a matte black anodized case, a 6-degree typing angle with the cherry profile keycaps, the Type-C port, tri-mode switch, and 2.4 GHz wireless receiver on the left side on the back, and 4 non-slip feet on the bottom with the Epomaker logo CNC'd into the middle of the case. Besides that, the keyboard comes with this cherry profile black and pink double shot PBT keycaps, which really matches the case in my opinion, but you can also black out the keycaps with the extra ones provided if you don't like pink. The keyboard also comes with Epomaker Wisteria switches that are pre-loop and have a poppy sound signature, pre-loop plate-mounted stabilizers to prevent rattling and pinging, a gasket-mounted polycarbonate plate for a softer typing experience, a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB, and per key RGB with 18 preloaded effects to choose from. Going on to the software, the keyboard comes with a web-based driver. In here, you can set different profiles, switch between Mac and Windows layout, remap all of the keys and layers including the volume knob, configure the RGB lighting, effects, brightness, speed, and color, create or upload macros, and update the software and sleep timer here. Diving into the mods and components, the case is held together with 6 screws on the bottom. With the knob and screws removed, the top case can come out and the cable connecting to the daughter board and battery can be disconnected from under the PCB. So in the bottom case, there's 2 pieces of foam to make it sound fuller, the 4000 mAh power battery on the right, the daughter board with the port and switches on the left, and these mounts on the sides for the gaskets to fit into. As for the plate and PCB, there are no screws holding them together so they come apart easily. In between, there's a PET film stick onto the PCB, an IXPE switch pad, and a Porum plate foam to dampen the typing noise. Apart from that, the PCB has the volume knob module on the top right with ohms and hot swap sockets on the back. And the polycarbonate plate is quite flexible too, even though it doesn't have any flex cuts. Overall, this gasket-mounted polycarbonate plate offers a stable yet slightly bouncy typing feel, and when paired with the included switches and mods, it delivers a crispy and poppy sound. Anyways, with everything covered, here is the typing sound test. Please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Epomaker P75. Honestly, for the price, I think it's worth it. You're getting a fully CNC'd aluminum keyboard with a clean and sleek finish, a reliable 75% layout that just works, and some extra functionality with the volume knob. Not to mention, it has a really satisfying sound profile as well thanks to the included mods and components. So if you're looking for a premium 75% keyboard without any gimmicks or weird features, the Epomaker P75 is a pretty nice option. As usual, if you're interested, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Epomaker for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.